Hello everyone. Today we will talk about liver structure and function, one of the topic of B.Sc MLS third SAM. So let's get started. Liver. Liver is an organ concerned with the various metabolism and detoxifying role in the human body. Talking about the liver location, it is located in the upper right quadrant of the abdominal cavity, right below the diaphragm. It sits above the right kidney, intestines, and the stomach. The rib cage protects this organ. As you can see the location of liver in the given picture. Structure of the liver. Liver appears reddish brown with a rubbery texture. Color is because of the immense amount of blood flow to the organ. The change in the color of the human liver indicates the disease of the liver. Liver weighing between 3.17 and 3.66 pounds or between 1.44 and 1.66 kilograms. The skin is the only organ heavier and larger than liver. The liver is roughly triangular, and when viewed from the top, the liver consists of two lobes, a large right lobe and a small left lobe. The lobes are separated by falciform ligament, that is a band of tissue that keeps it anchored to the diaphragm. When viewed from the below, along with the right and the left lobes, there are two other lobes arranged on the divider line of the major two lobes. These two small head-on face lobes are known as caudate and quadrate lobes. A layer of fibrous tissue called Gilson capsule covered the outside of the liver. This capsule is further covered by the peritoneum, that is a membrane that forms a lining of the abdominal cavity. This helps to hold the liver in the place and protect it from physical damage. Talking about blood vessels, unlike most organs, the liver has two major sources of blood. First one is the portal vein that brings in nutrient-rich blood from the digestive system. Second one is the hepatic artery that carries oxygenated blood from the heart. These blood vessels divide into small capillaries, with each ending in the lobule. These lobules are the functional unit of the liver and, and consist of millions of cells called hepatocytes. Blood is removed from the liver through three hepatic veins. Liver functions. The major functions of liver include first, bile production. Bile helps the small intestine break down and absorb fat, cholesterol, and some vitamins. Bile consists of bile salts, cholesterol, bilirubin, electrolytes, and water. Second function of liver, absorbing and metabolizing bilirubin. Bilirubin is formed by the breakdown of hemoglobin. The iron released from the hemoglobin is stored in the liver or bone marrow. and used to make the next generation of blood cells. Third function of liver is, to, is in supporting blood clotting. Vitamin K is necessary for the creation of certain coagulants that help clot the blood. Bile is essential for vitamin K absorption and is created in the liver. If the liver does not produce enough bile, clotting factor cannot be produced. Next function of liver in fat metabolization. Bile break down fats and make them easier to digest. Next function is metabolizing carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are stored in the liver where they are broken down into glucose and released into the bloodstream to maintain normal glucose levels. They are stored as glycogen and released whenever a quick burst of energy is needed. Next function in vitamin and mineral storage. The liver stores vitamin A, B, E, K, and B12. It keeps significant amounts of these vitamins stored. In some cases, several years' worth of vitamin is held as a backup. The liver stores iron from hemoglobin in the form of ferritin, ready to make new red blood cells. The liver also stores and releases copper. Liver helps metabolize proteins. Bile helps break down protein for digestion. Next, liver helps filters the blood. The liver filters and removes compounds from the body, which includes hormones such as estrogen and aldosterone, and compounds from the outside the body, which include alcohol and other drugs. Next, immunological function of liver. The liver is a part of the mononuclear phagocyte system. It, it contains high number of Kupffer cells that are involved in immune activity. Kupffer cells, these are the cells that destroy any disease-causing agent that might enter liver through gut. Next, liver play an important role in production of albumin. Albumin is the most common protein in the serum. It transports fatty acid and steroid hormones to help maintain the correct pressure and prevent the leaking of blood vessels. Next, liver function and synthesis of angiotensinogen. This hormone raises blood pressure by narrowing the blood vessels when alerted by production of an enzyme called renin in the kidney.